Hi guys, I wanted to come on here this morning with my swollen face and eyes. I guess the rain did not help the allergy situation. This is horrible. But hi baby goat. I wanted to come on here this morning and I wanted to say a big thank you. A big thank you to all the men and women that have fought and served and are still serving our country. Thank you so much. Truly. We couldn't do what we do and live like we live without you guys. So, happy Memorial Day. Also, in other news, my baby goat is just hollering for no reason today. She's, I don't know what she's doing. She's standing on top of my outside table, just squalling. She got it. There's your mama. Come down here and check on you because you acting all crazy. There ain't nothing wrong with her, mama. She's just crazy. Quit. Anyway, so as you all seen, or most of you have seen by now, I guess, I made a video yesterday that was Quiche Lorraine, which turned out very good. Extremely, extremely good. The boys have had it. I refrigerated the second one, and they are working on it in there for breakfast this morning. It's even kid approved and husband approved, which is a feat in and of itself because all these picky eaters around here. I will tell you that making the videos like that is a lot more time consuming and tedious than what I normally do, which is just jump on here on live video and cook and yak and carry on. But I know that there are some of you that really appreciate that type of video. Now, as we're moving into summer and Banon's going to be home quite a bit. Now, he does have the summer program from like 8 until 1. And it's Monday through Friday, which it doesn't start till Wednesday. But anyway, I think it's going to be good for him. It only goes until like June 23rd. So, we are looking forward to him enjoying that this summer. But needless to say, he'll be home a lot more than he would normally have been. This goat is a menace to society. Hey! Quit, goat! Anyway, so he will be home. And you guys know how it is when he's home from school and stuff. Like, it's just really hard. He wants attention on him 24/7. Like, he wants, so it's really hard for me sometimes to stop and actually be able to do a live video without, interruptions or noises or, inappropriate gestures, stuff like that. So you'll probably see over the next few months until they go back in August, you'll probably see a lot more of the pre-recorded videos than you normally would. And that's just because I want to spend as much time as I can with him. I read something somewhere when he was just a baby that says you only get 18 summers. Sorry. Hang on. Okay. You only get 18 summers with these babies. And then it's over and they're all grown up. And the fact that this is our 8th summer, is, hi, honey. Tell everybody hi.
Are you easier down this way?
Okay. So, that being said, I kind of want to, he's still just little, and he wants to still hang out with me. And so, while that's still an option, I want to make the most of it. So, me and his Aunt Amy have a big summer planned. A little bit of traveling, a little bit of swim pooling, a little bit of everything, a little bit of going to the zoo. We got big plans. So, that being said, we want to make the most of it and make it as fun and enjoyable for everybody, and especially him, as possible. So that's what we're doing, and I truly hope that you guys will support us and watch the videos, whether they are live or pre-recorded, either one, and continue to engage with our content, and all the likes and the shares and the comments and everything. It all counts. It all counts for engagement, and we really appreciate it. So, Mickey, the quiche was amazing. It really was. I had a slice of it when I first made it, and then it was really good. Very, very, very good. That little red hen runs anytime anything hits the ground. She's so funny. So, anyway, I hope everybody has a good day. I am waiting. I'm gonna go decorate graves probably next weekend. Just because my aunt and them go to the cemetery over this weekend at some point, and I don't want to run into her and have bad words and stuff like that. So, I just want to avoid that situation. Also, unfortunately, any decorating that I do will be removed if I do it before she goes. So, anyway, I hope everybody has a good day, and I'm going to bounce on off here, and I'm hoping and praying that we get to move Charlotte and Maggie home today. And I'll show you we'll do some video about that as well. We have our new run-in shed, which I haven't shown you all yet, but anyway, see you later. Bye.